Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict. Do I gotta have it?
All right, folks. What's up? So, I had this idea, right? I think I have a bulb for this. Yeah, it's an LED bulb. The same one I put in the Yamaha TW. So, check it out. Here's my regular lights, okay? Now, oh yeah, the wheel start. All right, so, dumb me, I didn't check my on and off switch, but I thought the battery was dead, but it's not dead. I haven't started this thing for like 6 months. I don't know, maybe it hasn't been 6 months, but I got my charger. I got my charger already. We're gonna put my charger away. I don't need my charger, but we are going to put this away too. I don't need this. We'll put this away. As you can see, my shop is a mess. That is, that's one of my goals here. So with some of this, YouTube, say, money that I get, I might start investing in some tools and some products that I can, organize some stuff around here. But in the meantime, we are going to do a few modifications here, and we're going to put, see if we can put this bulb in. So I'm going to find out how to take off this stuff right here. So stay tuned, stick around. Maybe I'll show you some stuff. I don't know if that, okay, that's for my headlight. Alright, so now we just need to figure out how we get this off. So, couple bolts there. I think I found out how to do it, so stay tuned. Alright, so check this out. I found some bolts here. It's looks like my wrench here is 5/16. So we are going to take out this, and there's one on, oh no. Yep, that's what it does. It just falls down into no man's land all the time, right? That's all right. We're gonna take this off and we will recover that. So here we go. Let's see if I can keep this one in the thing here. But anyway, so I just, how are you guys? You guys doing okay? Comment down below how things are going. If things are going all right, if things are going good. So it looks like I need to take off maybe one more on the bottom, way down here. So, anyways, this fender here just needs to be kind of finessed here, and it looks like this little rubber piece is kind of sticky. It's got a little stickiness right here, right? Just kind of right on there. Just make sure you don't get that dirty. You're gonna want to put that back on. Little dust cover, I guess, here for this bulb. So I got some adjustment right here in my headlights. That's good to know for when I go to adjust this thing. But it looks like there's one here and one on the bottom. I'm gonna just try to take off this whole bracket. So there might be one. Okay, it looks like there's 4 bolts I don't need to take off. There's one down here and there's one on the side. And then obviously on the other side, right? Catch my point, get my drift. Know what I'm talking about? Biggie Smalls. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I need a wrench for this one, and that wrench size looks to be our 10 millimeter. Yeah. Anyways, what do you got? What have you all been up to? I've been working hard, and also been investing, trying to make some money. It's going fairly good. I lost a little bit of money, but I'm gaining it back. I've learned you gotta have a little patience. But I'm not doing your typical investing. I'm not buying things and holding them for the long term. I'm holding a few things short term because I want to make a little bit of money off of them. But I'm paying attention to some stocks, and we're buying high, or we're buying low, selling high, and then we're buying back in when it drops. So same stocks. Anyways, enough about that. If you guys want to learn more about that, check out my other channel at the Bad Grass Dude. I don't have much on there yet, but we're learning our stuff before I start posting on there. So anyways, I am going to take this off. I'm going to cut this video real quick while I take these other bolts out, but these bottom ones are 10 millimeter. All right, so check this out. We're gonna bring you over here real quick. But anyways, there's some bolts right here, 10 millimeter, and there's some bolts right here, 12 millimeter. Take these out and take those out, and basically your light will come out like that. Now we are going to take apart this headlight unit right here. Now obviously these probably just a little cover, and then these just unclip like that, and then we're gonna take out this bulb right here. So looks like you just do that, and then take this out, and voila. Now let me grab this other bulb here. All right, so from my understanding, this is an H4 bulb right here. You can read that, H4 beam tech. Now this bulb I got, it's an LED, so basically it looks to me like we're going to fit that bad boy in there like so. We're gonna have to specially kind of fit that in around this bad boy, but it's in there. Okay, make sure all of them line up. All right, so we got that all lined up. Now we're gonna take this and we are going to plug that into there. Now the only thing is obviously this cover is not really going to go back around this. So we're just gonna have to tuck that bad boy in there like so, and put that so slightly, force that in there like yonder. And we will put these in to hold it. All right, so I got these bolts back, they're tightened. Now, this is legit, man. If this works, it works. If not, you're gonna see some shit go down, maybe some stuff blow up. I don't know. Oh, you ready? Oh, oh man, that's a bright light. Brights? No brights. Oh yeah. Everything still works. Everything still works. everything still works, that is the install of H4 LED bulbs in the Kawasaki KLX. Now, oh, got some, looks like I'm gonna have a little spider web or something on there. I think my lens is scratched. I hope that doesn't, oh no. Oh no, hope that doesn't put any like weird stuff on there. But anyways, so there you go. Now you just gotta put this little cowling back on, which I'll put on here in just a few minutes. Actually, maybe not even tonight, because I gotta clear a lot of this stuff out of here. But so far, from what I see on the wall, I'm not gonna have to adjust some stuff. But I am gonna go out. Probably not tonight, because I've got some other stuff I gotta go in and chat with the wife about some property. Probably gonna try to purchase. But we're gonna try to take this out and do kind of like a review on the actual riding of this at night. So stay tuned for that video if you're curious. But if you're not curious and you just want to buy the bulb, the link will be below. I'll link up the the bulb in the description so you can go by and purchase that if you'd like. But here's the thing, if you got a couple motorcycles, so basically this same bulb I put in here, I also put in here. Now you can see this is a little Yamaha TW200, and the same bulb fits the Kawasaki KLX250. See you later.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me